electrical diag and you want to do it like the professionals, I'm going to highly encourage that you invest in the AES WAVE Master Terminal Kit. This kit is going to come with every size male and female connector that you could possibly need. You're also going to get an assortment of other interesting jumper wires and wire piercers that you can get. Right here, I like these things a lot because I can go right into the fuse block, I can hook up my amp clamp, and I can also get a voltage source at the same time. So this car's here for P0333, which is knock sensor number 2 circuit high. A circuit high condition indicates that I have an open somewhere along the harness or inside the sensor itself. Now that sensor's buried underneath the intake manifold. I cannot get eyes on it, and I can see that this car has a lot of farm atmosphere in it. And I found a rodent nest here on top of the engine bay. So I told the customer, most likely we have rodent damage. I visually can't see anything on the exterior of the harness. I need to get underneath there, but I also want to justify pulling that intake manifold up because that's going to cost the customer 3 hours. Using the AES WAVE harness adapter kit, I was able to find the appropriate size pins, go in through here through the engine harness plug, and I checked my circuit. This confirms I have an open circuit condition. This is the other knock sensor. It's working correctly, 600 k ohms. So what I'm going to recommend to the customer is that we remove the intake manifold, we inspect the rest of the harness. I will ohm out each leg of this harness to verify that there is no rodent damage somewhere in the loom. If both legs of the harness check out good, we're going to be replacing the knock sensor. I've used this harness kit to also remotely hook up extra sensors that I have laying around. It makes codes go historical, which gives me confidence that there's nothing wrong with the computers. This harness kit is not like those cheapo kits you see on the tool trucks. This is a fantastic company. I highly encourage that you give AES WAVE your support, because if you have any problems with their product and you have a concern and you email them, you're probably going to be talking to the person who built this harness kit, because every one of these little harness connectors, they have to be made by hand. Cheers, everyone.